Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials: game running and a recorder active. First, pause gameplay and bring up your recorder overlay, OBS, Xbox DVR, or console capture. You should confirm the recording source is set to Fortnite and any mic or system audio you want. Once done, make sure the file path and disk space are correct so stopping won't fail. If your recorder shows a timer, note it. That tells you the session is live and ready to stop when you are. Now stop the recording. Press your configured hotkey or click the recorder's stop button in the overlay. You should hear or see a saving indicator. Wait for it to finish. On console, press the share or create button and follow the end capture prompts to finalize the file. If you're streaming and recording simultaneously, stop the live stream first so encoding frees up, then stop local recording. Make sure the recorder confirms the file saved to the expected folder before returning to play. Finish by confirming the saved clip plays correctly and matches the recording length. If it didn't save, close Fortnite and the recorder, then free disk space or change the save folder and try again. For corrupted files, try a restart of the recorder app or console and re-record a short test clip to confirm recovery. If problems persist, export logs or check recorder settings. That helps you fix encoder overloads or permission issues so future recordings stop and save reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.